Arrive in style with this 2009 Audi A5. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: auxiliary audio input, cruise control, automatic headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, integrated turn signal mirrors, and keyless start. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.